Okay, this might be one of the craziest AI tools I've tested this year, because today I'm going to create an entire original song with vocals, lyrics, and a full cinematic music video using only AI. No music producer, no video editor, no filming crew, just my phone.
You say nothing, but I hear it clear. The silence speaks, I pull you near.
No need for words, we talking sound. A heartbeat rhythm where we're found.
Between the lines, we're writing more. Every note's what we couldn't before. Don't name it love, just call it the vibe. You feel me move, we're both alive.
This actually turns out good, then honestly, creators are about to become insanely overpowered. All right, here's the challenge. I'm gonna use VibeMe AI to create a complete music video from scratch, meaning AI writes the song, AI creates the vocals, AI generates the visuals. Open VibeMe AI and type your idea. Not a technical brief, not a production spec, just your idea, the mood, the story, what you want the song to feel like. That is genuinely all it needs. I typed in a prompt for a cinematic emotional track about chasing a dream that feels just out of reach. Within minutes, VibeMe AI came back with a fully arranged original song, real vocals, real instrumentation, a professional structure with verse, chorus, bridge. The complete thing, not a demo. Something you could upload to streaming platforms right now, and it would not sound out of place.
I lace my shoes in the dark before the sun can name me.
For anyone who has ever had a song idea and had no way to execute it, this moment is genuinely shocking. The gap between an idea in your head and a finished produced track used to require either years of learning music production or thousands of dollars. VibeMe AI collapses that gap to a few minutes in a text box. Now here's where it gets even more impressive. The storyboard music video feature. Once you have your song, you input a simple plot, just a few sentences describing your visual story, and VibeMe AI automatically generates a multi-scene cinematic music video. Multiple connected scenes logically sequenced to follow your story, with visuals cutting and moving in sync with the beat. It looks like a real music video.
I lace my shoes in the dark before the sun can name me. Same old train, same old stop.
The kind you see from independent artists who clearly had a production team, except there is no production team, just you, your idea, and VibeMe AI. Now, the web version, and this is the one I want you to pay attention to, VibeMe AI's fully featured web version just officially launched, and it is a significant upgrade for the creation experience. The web version gives you access to the latest cutting-edge video and image models, more visual styles, more quality options, more control over exactly how your music video looks. The web link is in the description. And if you are an existing VibeMe AI app user, just make sure you have updated your app to the latest version and scan the QR code on the web platform to seamlessly sync all your credits across both. Your projects, your history, everything carries over instantly. A few other tools worth knowing about: professional AI voice covers, instant lip sync that takes any static image and generates a realistic lip-synced video, and one-click viral video templates for fast results. These round out VibeMe AI as a complete creative music toolkit. Here is who this is built for. If you have always wanted to express yourself through music, but never had the technical background, VibeMe AI is your entry point. If you are a content creator who wants cinematic music video quality without a production budget, VibeMe AI gives you that output in minutes. And if you just want to make something worth sharing, the quality of what this generates is genuinely the kind of thing people send to each other and say, "You need to see this." Web version link is in the description and pinned comment. App is available on iOS and Android. Go make something, because what VibeMe AI produces, when you give it a real idea, is worth seeing.